Alright guys, it's that time of year again. It is currently 87 degrees right now, and yesterday it was 85, and tomorrow it'll be around 87 again. So several days in a row of 80s means that it usually gets hot enough in our house to turn on our air conditioner. So it is up to 78 in our house, which is usually the temperature we have to first turn the air conditioner on. I mean, that's how much we let it get up to before we turn it on. So I think it is time to fire up the old Tempstar for 2024. Next year, this thing will be 30 years old. That's crazy. It's almost vintage. If you use the at least 30 years rule. So here it is. I know I tend to talk a lot before I do it, so I'll just try to get right to it there. Hasn't run since about October probably. It's warm, of course. Here's a data sheet, 1995 3-ton CA55. As you can hear, the neighbor's BDP is running in cool mode. They turned theirs on for the first time yesterday. So yep, I will do the thing where I do the 3 angles because you guys seem to like that. So, and this year I also got a new tripod, which is much taller. So you may remember every other year I've had to bring chairs down here and put the tripod on chairs. So I'm hoping this new one I got will be tall enough to just use it. And it's not too windy today, which is nice. So yeah, this is gonna be the first startup of my 1995 Tempstar 5000 air conditioner for the beginning of cooling season of 2024. Here we go. Alright, she's running. And good news, my new tripod is tall enough, so I won't have to do the chair thing again. So that's really nice. I'm using my dad's camera because I currently don't have my camera. It's a long story. But I'll go ahead and stop this. Also, what's cool about this new tripod is that it was leaning a little bit that way. So underneath these feet are actually stakes. So I just shoved this leg into the ground so it wouldn't fall over. And then just that goes right back on over it. Anyway, move that out of the way for now. So, Tempstar is running for the first time in 2024. Blowing out nice air, getting warm. Shaky as always. That is starting to get cold. And that is already warm. It is pretty clean right now, but sometime over the summer I'm probably going to clean it. So here it is. Alright. Is that Copeland reciprocating compressor? I'm sure it sounded really nice on startup as always. Burn along nicely. It's getting there. It always takes it a little bit to get cold when it first starts up. It hasn't run in like 6 months. So yep. Just did the first startup of my Tempstar for 2024. It's roaring along. Compressor sticker. There's that view through the hole in the bottom. Alright, I'll go look at the indoor unit now. Sorry, you got it down 1 degree. Nice to hear that refrigerant flowing through there again. So here's the indoor unit. Yes, the furnace still remains. It's just chugging along. Don't know which will die first, honestly, at this point. Both are going strong, besides the furnace's combustion issue, but it's, you know, still works, so. And we've got carbon monoxide alarms, and it doesn't look too bad. That's pretty cold. That's already hot. Filter dryer. Feels equal on both sides. There is a gap over here. Let me show it. Where this cover goes over the evaporator section. There's a gap here where air comes out, so over the summer sometime I'm gonna seal that up. Anyway, it's running in cool mode. The high-pitched whistle is coming from that cover, so go do some temp checks and then go look at the condenser one more time, and that'll be it. Alright, I'm in my room. According to this thermometer I got for Christmas, it is 82 degrees in my room, which is very believable. It's hot in here, in fact. It says 83. The higher will be going in pretty soon, I think, so I'm actually working on cleaning it right now as we speak. Here's the neighbor's American Standard. So here's this vent. 70. It's only been running for maybe 10 minutes, so it'll probably get colder. Plus this is upstairs and like the farthest away from the unit, so not bad. Feels cool compared to in here. $64, getting there. Usually blows out about 60 at its best. 63. Yep. It'll get there. See, this one's at 59. This vent is very close to the air handler, so, or indoor unit. 58, that's pretty good. As you can see, I'm working on cleaning my higher. That'll be its own video. Alright, here's one last look at the condenser. Copeland recip, roaring right along. There's the fan motor. Nice and cold now. It's very dry out here, only about 20% humidity, so it's not going to be sweating. first startup on my Tempstar for 2024. Hope you enjoy. Out.